Introduction to the Nelly De Vuyst skincare line. The laboratory. Nelly De Vuyst products are now designed in Canada in the first ever EcoCert certified laboratory in North America. EcoCert is the first European certification and auditing body that has established manufacturing standards for natural and organic skincare. It is recognized worldwide in more than 130 countries. The Nelly De Vuyst laboratory continues to follow the highest quality standards established by the European Union. These standards are globally recognized as the most demanding and coveted in the skincare industry. The laboratory is also certified Good Manufacturing Practices, or GMP, for natural health products and skincare. GMPs consist of a set of good practices approved by Health Canada to ensure to the consumer the highest quality and safety of Nelly De Vuyst skincare products. In addition, the laboratory is yearly audited to validate its compliance with the EcoCert standards and GMPs established by Health Canada. Because they are safe, Nelly De Vuyst products are approved and distributed all over the world.